Yebo. Hayi kunjalo enganze tho. Phela zamafi inkosana. Shintsha zomoya mavula vala emzini madoda. Umnumzana amanzi kungetshe. Diplomatulani into mzasizweni. Yonyanga lilapha ekhaya. Gobela yakhe ongena gobela. Hayi ngoba fa. Akasoza abe khona. Wey, sengibona ngifundiswa. Mama eshani. Ikanya mhlophe indoda iphinde ikaninga. Uma kwenze umlomo ongathethi imanga. Shanda kwandaba umthenga nkomofoza nomthenga amahlahla. Shanda nganani isintendini esadlwane la. Ngaso thini lo mkhonto ngiyahlala ngithi cha baba. Indoda ehamba kancane. Hey, hayi ngiyakutshela mfana. One step at a time. Yay! Right. Hey. So, asike siyithinte lento ukuthi why is it ukuthi right fike kumuntu akuhlolele khuluma abantu bakini nawe uyazi le ndaba exoxwa ngayo okanye you get the message or zonke lezi zinto exoxwa ngazo ubuye ekhaya bethe uyaphahla okanye ukhuleke bese bayakuvakashela abakini akuphendule ngazo zonke lezi zinto bexoxwa ngazo base bekuphendulile you decide to say you know what angiqale ngizilaphe njengalendlela kade besho ngayo kumaphupho akho hayi wenze lokho ebese uqale wena ube nama expectations ngama ancestors akho hey we madoda ube nama expectation uzuthatha nawe ukuthi ya sengenzile phela hey sheshisani phela mayi babo yakenziwa ndlonto and then silikhuluma iqiniso angithi asilikhulumeni sharp afike umuntu omelapha akwelapha uyibone imphumela right ebese la usuyibone khona imphumela ebese ucabanga lento yokuthi ake ngiye komunye futhi can you imagine lo muntu lo usezele yonke into njengabantu bakini adebesha right bese waqala wabona imphumela okanye ama results wawathola from your own ancestors lezo leyo ndaba wena ke manje usuya komunye uthola ukuthi lo muntu akena akayiqedile nendaba yakhe akayiqedile indaba yakhe uyafostela nje ukuthi hayi uyakwazi ukubona lokho nalokho ebese ke asicabanga le ndawo uyicabange nayo logically bese lo muntu atshele wena uthi hamba uye kuloya muntu loya muntu bese umtshela ukuthi ya awusaboni for example or something is wrong what makes you think ukuthi ithongo lakhe lo muntu ngelimtshela ukuthi wena you have just been taken into a different direction. What makes you think of that? Uthi angeke baze babamtshela ntate ritengi you right kisharp ntate cha right sharp ne oh next thing then your things go upside down right it's not because leyo muntu mhlambe yes bakhona abahamba bayoshisela izinto manje this is another problem I have ukuthi umuntu ufika umsize next thing usuyamthakatha what rubbish is that you don't do that shit ungafuni ukutesta amandla abanye abantu obuzohlangana nezimbila ayithutha bese kuthiwa hayi khonto abamenze yona kanti umuntu uzithakathe yena right another thing abantu and then ke wena ke uxakeke ukuthi why izinto sezingahambi ngale ndlela kanti you've pissed off your ancestors ne and that person because they sent you to umuntu for umuntu to help you ilento yongabi naqiniso bese sekuthiwa hayi no Yesu kwenzisile leyo nto leyo but manje nani kini kanjani kuyashoda or whatever The mere fact that the person has went through yonke leyo nto ukuze akwelaphe ngaleyo ndlela leyo at that time being, it's because your own ancestors guided the way, right? So when you communicate, you need to communicate in a manner yokuthi ubuze bona ukuthi okay, sikwenzile lokho enanikufuna njengoba nanisho, right? Fine, ngilenzile iphutha ngaphambuka. You need to be honest with yourself. Ngaphambuka. Mangiqeda ukuphambuka kwabheda kwehlela izansi. Hence ke what you need to do now. Icabange now. Mayingane yonile. Yenzani ingane mayonile? Iyaxolisa. So wake up. Uye kulebele uthi ngayi izinto zakho zikanjani kanjani and you want to put blame on other people. Don't blame other people. Blame yourself. Hayi njalo, ayijiki umayisinje.